Welcome to Bike Informer, your go-to channel for all things motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated bikes of the year, the 2025 Yamaha MT-07. Known for its balance of performance, affordability, and style, the MT-07 has been a fan favorite since its inception. But how does the 2025 model stack up? Let's find out. Redesigned for the future. The 2025 Yamaha MT-07 comes with a fresh, aggressive look that aligns perfectly with Yamaha's dark side of Japan philosophy. The sharp LED headlights and angular body panels make the bike stand out even more on the streets. Yamaha has subtly enhanced the aerodynamics, ensuring that the design is not only visually striking but also functional. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 MT-07 is the iconic 689cc CP2 parallel twin engine, now updated to meet stricter emission norms without compromising performance. This engine delivers 73.4 horsepower and 67 Nm of torque, making it an ideal choice for both city rides and highway cruises. The addition of ride-by-wire technology ensures smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. Suspension and braking. Yamaha has upgraded the suspension setup for the 2025 MT-07, offering a more refined riding experience. The front features 40-on-M inverted forks, while the rear monoshock is adjustable for preload and rebound damping. Braking is handled by dual 298mm discs at the front and a single 245mm disc at the rear, paired with a standard ABS system for enhanced safety. Technology upgrades. The 2025 MT-07 embraces modern technology with a brand new 5-inch TFT display that offers multiple riding modes, smartphone connectivity, and turn-by-turn navigation. Yamaha's quick-shift system, QSS, is now available as an option, providing seamless upshifts for an exhilarating ride. Additionally, the inclusion of traction control and an improved slipper clutch ensures a safer and more enjoyable experience for riders of all skill levels. Ergonomics and comfort. The MT-07 retains its signature upright riding position, making it comfortable for long rides without compromising on the sporty feel. Yamaha has reworked the seat design, offering better cushioning and support. Combined with its lightweight frame and a curb weight of just 184 kg, the bike remains nimble and easy to handle in various conditions. Fuel efficiency and range. Thanks to the engine updates and advanced fuel mapping, the 2025 MT-07 delivers an impressive fuel efficiency of approximately 22 kg/L. With its 14-liter fuel tank, you can expect a range of over 300 kilometers on a full tank, making it a practical choice for everyday riders and tourers alike. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Yamaha MT-07 comes with a starting price of $8,999, making it one of the most competitively priced middleweight bikes in its class. Yamaha has ensured wide availability across dealerships, and you can expect deliveries to begin in early 2025. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha MT-07 is a testament to Yamaha's commitment to innovation and rider satisfaction. It's a perfect blend of power, style, and technology, making it an excellent choice for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. If you're looking for a middleweight bike that ticks all the boxes, the MT-07 should be on your radar.
Thank you for tuning in to Bike Informer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Ride safe and see you in the next video.